another day. Gotta clean the snow off my car so I can be able to go to work. It is bad. It is so bad. I mean, look at this. Look at the ice. It's pure ice. It's not just snow, but ice. Ice on top of snow. And I gotta get all of this. It's so much. But I've gotta get it cleaned out. Gotta get it cleaned out. It's so difficult when it covers up like this with snow. It's not easy. It's not easy. I've done the part of it. I gotta do the upper part. I tried doing below first, and now I'm trying to do the upper part. It's crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. It's so cold. So cold. Just the top now. I'm getting it done, but it's not easy at all. And it's super cold. Super cold out here. But I want to be able to see when I drive. My headlights and everything. The lights are ice. Pure ice on the lights. You know that. When the lights get ice. See that? Just pure ice.